Today we'll be reviewing part number BWTS10038B. This is the B&W Tow and Stow 2 ball mount, rated at 7,500 pounds. This ball mount with the built-in hitch balls is going to let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The shank simply slides into the receiver tube of the hitch. You can see that it has two different pinhole locations. Those are there for your convenience. So to install it, we'll just slide it into the receiver tube, line up our pinhole, and then insert our pin and clip. You can also use a hitch pin and lock. These are sold separately. You can refer to our website, type in part number PC3, and it's going to refer you to this 5/8 inch pin and clip that I'm using today. Or you can go under the related products of the ball mounts product page and view additional items that would also work to secure this inside the hitch. The hitch balls are going to provide good connection points for your trailer coupler. Now, one of the biggest advantages of having this type of a ball mount is that it actually has a stowable design. To gain access to that, we just need to remove these two pins. It's going to allow our ball platform to pivot. And you can see that in the current position that I have it in, we're limited to the amount of space that we have to store the mount. So to gain more access to be able to store it, we'll remove this other pin, rotate our ball to a stowed position, reinsert the pin and secure it with the clip on the other side. And then we can rotate it under and actually slide it up to get it more out of the way. And then to secure it in place, we'll simply just reinstall the other pins. And then we would secure it with the clips on the other side. This is going to give us that nice flush, flat look at the back of our vehicle. It's also going to increase the amount of safety as we maneuver around the back of our vehicle. There are different mounting holes up and down the mounting block. So this is fully adjustable. You can slide up and down. You just want to make sure that you always have both pins engaged in a hole. So once we have our desired height, we can go ahead and reinstall our pins. And then we'll secure it by installing the clips on the other side. This mount is adjustable in increments of 1 inch. So the adjustable height is great because it's going to let you tow trailers of different heights and still be able to use the same vehicle. It does have the two different size hitch balls. That's going to let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. To switch between the two different sizes, we can simply just pull the pin and clip, and then we can rotate as necessary to whatever ball mount is going to best suit our towing application. We have a 1 7/8 inch ball, and we have a 2 inch ball. So once we have the one that we need, we can simply just reinsert our pin and secure it with a clip on the other side. The hitch balls have a dual process chrome plating that's going to help provide excellent rust resistance. Everything else has a nice black powder coated finish, so it's also going to stand up well against corrosion. And our pins are made from a stainless steel, so they're going to create sturdy rust-proof connection points. The entire unit comes from a durable steel construction with high yield tubing that's going to help offer superior strength. To go over a few measurements, this is designed to work with a 2 inch by 2 inch trailer hitch receiver. When using the 1 7/8 inch ball, we're going to have a gross towing weight of 3,500 pounds, and with the 2 inch ball, we're going to have a gross towing weight of 7,500 pounds. The distance from the center of the hitch pinhole to the center of the hitch ball, and I have my pin mounted in the pinhole that's closest to the rear of the shank. So from the center of that one to the center of the hitch ball is going to give us a measurement of about 10.5 inches. If I measure from the one that's closer to the mounting block to the center of the hitch ball, we're going to have a measurement of 9 1/4 of an inch. The distance from the center of the hitch pinhole to the pinholes in the mounting block, from the current one that I have it set in, is going to measure about 5 inches. The one that's set further forward is going to measure about 3 3/4 of an inch. Now with it installed in its lowest setting, if I measure from the ball platform to the inside top edge of the receiver tube, it's going to give us a measurement of 5 inches, so that's where we get our maximum drop measurement from. We can flip this over to the rise position simply by removing the pin and clip, taking the mount out and flipping it over. And if I perform that same measurement, inside top edge of the receiver tube to the top of the ball platform, it's going to give us a measurement of about 5.5 inches, which is going to be our maximum rise. Again, the mounting platform will adjust on the mounting block in increments of 1 inch. And you always want to make sure that you have both pins engaged in at least 2 pinholes. That's going to do it for today's review of part number BWTS 10038B. This is the B&W Tow and Stow 2 ball mount.